Oh man, you can't see nothing. Alright, there you go. I'm sorry. Alright, my peeps. So right now we're gonna look exactly how much does the 1T5 light fixture consume. Alright, how many watts? Alright, so you guys can see the difference. And is it worth it to do it? What I did. Okay, with the bypass ballast installation. Alright, so it's at 255, right? Because obviously there's a couple of things plugged in. There's two items that are plugged in, the fan and the exhaust. Alright, so I'm gonna disconnect those, and then you're gonna see this drop. Alright, so let's go. So what I gotta disconnect, just so you guys can see. First of all, let's do this step by step, one step at a step by step. This is energized, okay? See it? It's rotating. So I'm gonna de-energize it, and then you're gonna see the voltage. I mean the wattage drop. See, 233 now, right? So there's one more item. That's the exhaust fan, which is right here, and it's going outside, okay? Because it's outside. It's on top of the tent. So this one, I'm gonna unplug it, and you're gonna see that the wattage is gonna go down. Alright, so check this out. Alright, so I'm gonna unplug it. I'm gonna plug the fan too, just for the heck of it, so see if it's drying anything. You see if it's drying anything off. Just plugged in. Yep, it was consuming 2 watts. Just plugged in. 3 watts. All right, now let's de-energize that exhaust fan. Okay, this is gonna be kind of hard. Okay, there you go. Alright, so it dropped, right? So I plugged it, so now we're at 223. And now, just so you guys won't say that, that's for the two. Okay, I'm sorry. Now we're at, I'm sorry, okay. Jeez, now we're at 222, okay? And that's just the light by itself. There's nothing else plugged in. As you can see on the whole surge suppressor, because I'm using the last slot right here, the bottom one, because it ends here. Alright, so as you can tell, because there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, and let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, where this one's plugged in, the timer. And it has like some special adapter for the ground. Alright, so, and remember, we're at 220, and just so you guys can make sure that I'm not getting from anything, I'm gonna unplug it now from these two, which are for the T5s. the 2 footers, which are 24 watts, because it's connected to the timer. Okay, look, it's connected to the timer. See, so now nothing's connected to the timer. I mean to the surge suppressor. It's a little mini one. It's only 3. Alright, because the T5 is connected to this timer. So look, I'm gonna turn it off real quick. Look, you guys can see the lights are gonna go off. Look, 1, that's an auto, off. Yeah, because I turn it on and off manually. But sometimes I give it 16, sometimes I give it 18. Okay, but yeah, so I'm gonna turn it back on, and then you're gonna see the watts. So right now, I don't know if you guys can see, just plugged in, it's just consuming 1.2 watts. So I want to energize it. There you go. 220 watts by itself. Through and true. There you go, man. 218, but there you go. So from 220, maybe it'll drop 215, but you just round it up 220 to 100 watts. That's about 60% reduction. And you guys saw it. It was literally 99 point something watts or 100 watts, literally, on the meter. We're using the same meter. So that's what I want to show you guys. And look, so you guys won't say that I'm faking it. Look, it's the same. Because I have 2 of them. See, it's the T5. There you go. Still connected. That's and I'm gonna also do the ballast bypass installation on this one. I'm gonna do the whole recording. Since I already know what to do exactly, it's gonna be smoother and faster and easier. And I'm just glad it worked. Like because I literally had to rewire everything, and it ended up working. But yeah, so there you go. This is the T5s, my peeps. So now what I'm gonna do is another video. So yeah, so there you go. So that's how much this consumes by itself. Like I said, look, 215. It drops to 215. There you go. So you're literally saving 60-50% by doing that. The ballast bypass installation with the LED. Replacing the T5s with the LEDs. Alright. That's the end of this video. Peace, love, and health. You girls.